Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to take a look at the new #1 reason for people failing the new driving test. Now I did a poll on my channel a few days ago now, and I asked people to vote on what they thought would be the most common reason people are failing the new driving test. And you had a choice between bay parking, reversing down the right hand side of the road, opening and closing a window while you're driving, or getting confused by a sat-nav. Now most people, by a long way, at the time of recording this, 68% of people said they thought that getting confused by a sat-nav would be the #1 thing people are failing on. Well, it's not. It's actually bay parking, which at the time of recording this, only 6% of people thought it would be that. That was actually the least popular option of them all. Bay parking is causing total mayhem. Right, now let me get this clear. I've been teaching bay parking since 2003. Okay, this is not a new manoeuvre. And I know I did videos in the past myself saying new manoeuvre coming to the driving test. It's only new for some people because in the old days, before this new test began, if your test centre didn't have a car park, you wouldn't be asked to do bay parking. It was only test centres with car parks that did bay parking. But this manoeuvre has actually been on the driving test since 1999. I think if I remember correctly, it was May of 1999 this came in. So it's not a new manoeuvre at all. I've been teaching this for over 15 years now, and it's just causing carnage. Right, I'm seeing pupils having to take 2, 4, 6 hours extra of lessons just to get bay parking done. I'm seeing instructors in the car park around me pulling their hair out. I saw one instructor the other day screaming at the people who was going crazy. They'd been doing it for over an hour and the people just couldn't do it. And this instructor was just going absolutely crazy at the people. And he was kind of pointing his arms and shouting, and the people was waving his arms, and I thought, I'm glad I'm not in that car. But yeah, it's causing big problems. Now, I want to point out this video is not meant to worry people, okay? Bay parking is very simple and very easy to do, but it is causing so much trouble. And I've had not just 1 or 2 pupils, but loads of pupils who are really struggling with this. And I've spoken to other instructors when I've been at test centres, and I've just said to them, I want to say 2 words to you, and I just want your reaction. And they've said, okay. And I've said, bay parking. And I'm not going to repeat what the instructors have been saying back to me. It's just causing so many problems. I'm seeing pupils ending up sideways across the bays, across 2 or 3 bays. I'm seeing pupils reversing into trees. I'm seeing people end up in 2 or 3 bays. It's just mad. Some of the things I've seen going on at my local test centre, and they allow you to practice. They've got a huge car park there, and they actually allow you to practice in a car park. And I've seen loads and loads of people, probably 10 to 20 people at a time practicing. And I'd say probably if you've got 10 cars bay parking and they do it 5 times each, that's probably 50 attempts at parking. Probably 2 or 3 at most are getting it in. So that's 2 or 3 successful bay parks out of every 50 attempts. It's just crazy. Now I am going to do a video showing you how to bay park quite soon. I don't just want to make a negative video saying about how it's all going wrong and how everyone's having trouble. I want to make a video actually helping you and showing you how to do it. But I just wanted to get this video out there and ask you the question, have you had trouble bay parking? Do you find it easy or hard? Because it's really not that hard to do, but it seems like pupils are having a nightmare with bay parking. And bay parking has quickly become the #1 reason people are failing driving tests. Now, coming soon, I've got 2 unique ways of showing you bay parking. I've seen instructors try and do this on videos, but it doesn't work because you can't see what's going on. And there's no point in filming from outside the car, as some instructors have done, because you're not going to be outside the car, you've got to know how to do it from inside. But there's no point in filming inside because you can't see what's going on outside. So I've got a unique solution to this, which I don't think any other instructor is going to do until I release my video, and they'll start copying me as they always do. But anyway, I'll be releasing this video over the coming weeks showing you how to bay park. So thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on bay parking, and I'll see you again soon for more videos.